Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in the essentials so every slide looks intentional. Choose one clean template and limit fonts to 1 or 2. This keeps focus. Once done, set slide size to 16:9 and pick base font sizes, titles large, body readable. Make a master slide with logo, footer, and heading styles. This saves time and enforces consistency. Do this first, and you avoid redesign later, so every new slide already follows the visual rules. Now focus on how viewers read each slide and guide their eyes. Use contrast, bold, color, or size to establish focal points. That explains hierarchy quickly. Replace dense paragraphs with 3-5 concise bullets, icons, or 1 half-width image so information is scannable. Align everything to an invisible grid and keep margins around 15 to 20% so slides breathe. Once you apply these steps, scanning becomes faster and retention improves because your visuals reinforce each key idea. Finish by polishing and checking real-world playback. You want confidence before presenting. Create a 3-slide mockup and test it on the actual projector or laptop at full resolution. Colors and spacing can shift. Optimize images by cropping and compressing. Aim for 1 to 2 megabytes per image so slides load quickly. If something breaks, a reliable fix is swapping any problematic fonts for system-safe alternatives. This prevents layout shifts and keeps your design intact when moved between devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.